Sonic pelvically thrusts at those rings. Wait.
Stop.
Oh no. I don't think I...
What's wrong, Dom?
Oh no!
You can't take another cutscene? Luckily I can't skip it.
At night is when the real beast in me comes out. You won't like me when I'm the other guy.
Yeah, he's like a cringy 14.
He's like...
My real demon.
My demons.
I hide my demons at school, so none of you have to deal. I fight a harder fight than all of you because I'm constantly fighting my demon. I'm stronger than all my bullies because the strongest one is my demon, and I hold him off.
I can't contain it any longer.
Guys, run!
Why won't she message me back? Ah!
I've become a simp!
You're right, Eggman blasted him with the simp machine.
When the sun goes down, the simp goes up.
Oh my fuck. He's like, Sonic, please don't simp. I can't control it anymore.
They don't text me back.
I gave her a tier 3 sub on Twitch. She won't text me. Oh my god, wait, this guy?
I feel pretty...
Sonic walks up and just takes the ice cream cone without paying.
I definitely would do that.
Take the ice cream cone without paying or cry?
Both?
Yep.
What good is ice cream at a time like this?
Holy shit, that's how you know, like, you're...
No.
What the fuck?
I told you, Monkey D. Rupee ate shit.
We figured it out. Now we know.
Audience, I wish you could see my face right now. This guy does not even give a shit.
Oh,
Look how far away he is!
Gamu gamu no.
Gummu gummu no, simp arm.
Why do I have to do this? We're gonna take out.
Wait, I don't believe we met. Wait, did he forget?
Hey, I'm a werewolf.
He's an old man.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, he's a werewolf now. I forgot.
No, he's just really old. He can't see as well as he used
Wait,
to.
Sonic is a werewolf now.
He's got maybe forgot.
Does nobody care that a literal werewolf is just walking around their town?
The world is ending. I think they've got more pressing.
Are you sure?
But are you gonna talk to a werewolf when the world's ending?
Yeah, like that's not gonna.
What else are you gonna do?
Not talk to a werewolf?
Piss your pants, maybe. I talk.
The planet got blasted by a beam now. Nothing just phases me anymore. Like nothing. Oh, just kidding. If there's a man like this living in your town, I guess I just wouldn't care anymore.
Are these like stock like Wii characters?
This has to be from a different game.
Like,
you know what? I want to look into the lore of this game. I'm gonna look up some trivia about.
my head hurts. I love this game actually. You guys ready to see a werewolf?
Yeah, I'm looking up
Wait, guys, you ready for
Sonic
werewolf levels?
Unleashed. Sonic Unleashed. Wait, he's not werewolf? What happened?
When I went to Sun Temple.
Oh.
And it had a way long cutscene.
Yeah, why did they stare at Sonic for so long?
This light's so warm. Do you think you're transforming?
No, absolutely not. Wait, just so you guys know, this game has a 6.5 star rating on IMDb.
Better than I thought.
Wow.
Out of 5, right?
Yeah, but the worst review is another terrible 3D Sonic game. That's the first review.
Aww.
Hey, 3D Sonic games are great.
Maybe it was good in its time.
In Japan, this game is actually called Sonic World Adventure.
Yeah, because it's through open world, unlike the Wii world. Should I have not played the Wii release? Should I have gotten a different one?
You would have spent so much longer on this game.
Get the hang of jumping in werewolf form.
Now
Okay.
it goes to the werewolf tutorial.
Yeah, you guys ready for the werewolf tutorial?
Yeah.
I think this action gauge actually goes down. Ow.
Why'd they
One
purposely
job.
make him so slow, though?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Move the control stick.
Why'd they tell you after?
Yeah, I don't know. Cause I needed that to get over it.
Now try jumping in mid-dash.
I needed that earlier. What?
Hello?
I have so much drift right now. There. What? It won't let me get the ring. I need to get all the rings. Wait, I can double jump?
Why won't it let you get the ring?
I need all the rings.
Go back. What do you? Wait, what?
I am going back.
No, like.
It won't let him.
Oh my god.
No. Mission failed.
Cool.
Imagine failing the tutorial mission.
Imagine making a UI like that. Also, they didn't tell me I needed all the rings.
They didn't. When have you ever needed all of the rings?
If you press the A button to jump,
Oh, okay, so I can do a double jump.
Did he say that in the beginning and you
No.
just missed it?
Maybe, actually. I'm gonna fake a dummy if it did. I'm gonna see the edit.
Yeah.
I might call myself out if I did. Stop talking! Holy shit, you're a dumbass.
You'd think that once you go through it the first time, it's like, okay, yeah, you know.
Cool, I
That's
cleared
better.
the mission, Nom.
So apparently, originally they were gonna make Sonic's werewolf form. He was gonna be a Yeti instead.
Oh.
That's hilarious. Oh yeah, so here's
Oh,
the-
they have a.
Wait,
I
guys,
would like to. I would like to. I would like to show the image.
do it. Send
I'm
it to
going
me.
to. I'm going to say. I'm going to share this image to the man sitting next to me, and we will put this image.
Wait, Dom,
in
I'm
the
gonna need
video.
you to look up real quick.
What?
So this is my my level up thing. I get Dark Gaia Force, and I get points. I level up and get new abilities. And this
That's
is my
actually
wheel of new
really cool.
abilities. And then my health is at level 1. My unleashed. You guys excited for?
Sonic the Simp Hog.
Yeah.
Actually, it's kind of cool. If it wasn't, it was done right. Yeah, it wasn't. If my only way of attacking
Wait,
was
this game was supposed to be Sonic Adventure 3.
Why is every game supposed to be Sonic Adventure 3? Mario Odyssey was supposed to be Sonic Adventure 3.
Yeah, did you know actually the God of War series was supposed to be Sonic Adventure 3?
Oh god. No way.
What?
Also, what was that drift I just had? Wait.
Oh, I understand. Is this hard to do with the the GameCube Joy-Con?
It might be.
Oh,
I'm just gonna change my...
okay, we're gonna pause. We'll be right back.
We never left.
Yeah, we're back.
Okay, this feels actually a lot better.
Does it?
Because it was going in. What's from?
Nothing.
Yeah. Is there something wrong with what you saw?
should be able
No.
to reach that horizontal.
I just thought
I thought you were gonna change the
Oh
entire.
my god.
I thought you were gonna change the entire controller.
Oh no.
Like I thought you were just gonna replace the.
Oh my gosh. I
Thanks,
don't
game.
like this.
Absolutely. I thought you were gonna have to do.
I'm gonna...
Jump! 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 Jump!
It...
You failed every tutorial level.
I can make Sonic games look good. Not this one.
Imagine not understanding the tech of Werewolf Sonic.
Why? Why do his arms do that?
You should be able to
Like, why? Yeah, why did they think like, yeah, this is what we want?
Like, this is what werewolves do.
Yeah, werewolves can stretch. It's like the dude that was making doing the character design for Werewolf Sonic saw an episode of One Piece first. It was like, you know what?
That'd be cool
it's a
tech.
mouthful.
We can do that.
How? How was I even in that plane? I I enjoy actually. You know what? This is great.
Is it?
What? You couldn't tell that was the direction that you were going?
No, I couldn't, Dom.
Imagine.
You probably should have read
Oh.
the tutorial better.
Oh, what's going on here? Oh, oh.
You know, I was actually really excited all day to come home and play some Sonic. It's beat 'em up time.
I'm glad that you.
Master those combos.
Alternate
What
the Wii
combos?
remote,
A.
Alternate the Wii remote and nunchuck swing to attack.
Are you actually gonna box?
He's gonna fight.
Yeah, things.
Oh man, look at those combos.
Honestly,
Got an 11-hit combo.
You ever played Bayonetta?
is this what it's supposed to?
This is what Bayonetta wants. Bayonetta's shaking right now.
Why do you think there's only been Bayonetta 1 and 2 already?
Yeah.
This
This-
game came out, killed the series. You know Bayonetta 2 is actually supposed to be Sonic Adventure 3?
I wish Sonic Unleashed was in Smash instead of Bayonetta, like Werewolf Sonic.
What if they did? What if they added Werewolf Sonic to Smash as the last?
The emergency evasion tactic will push back any foe it connects with.
What
Oh no.
did they morph this into?
What do you mean?
It's like they turned him into a werewolf, but also added a ton of other things that he could be morphed with literally anything else.
They obviously ran out of ideas for this game. Like they
Yeah.
they didn't know what the fuck to do, so they're like, you know what? Fuck it.
Stretchy
Sonic holding a
arms?
box.
Wait, this game's great,
Can I get an
actually.
instant replay? Can I get it?
This game's actually great.
Hold on, what if his arms were also hammers?
Wait, what if his arms were also? I don't know. I don't know yet. I don't know. I feel like there's gonna be more to this game. I feel like, why don't we just give him a gun? Why don't we give Sonic a gun?
No, this game's great.
Flamethrower? Why not?
Flamethrower, gun. Honestly, give him a nuke.
You
Give
know-
Sonic a tactical nuke.
Next Sonic game, we'll just play Shadow the Hedgehog.
Actually, can we do a rough cut with Sonic Shadow the Hedgehog instead?
What do you mean?
Can we do Shadow? Can we play Shadow the Hedgehog?
Oh, I can beat Shadow the Hedgehog in like in about like a week.
In a week?
Like if we did it in probably one recording session.
Hell yeah.
Cause like it's multiple endings.
Ah. That's 100% Shadow the Hedgehog.
Wait, isn't it like a branching?
Mhm.
I remember. I don't know who I've seen play that game, but
No, we'll do a good one next. We'll do Sonic Adventure 1.
If you swing the Wii remote and nunchuck
what?
at the same
I just want to know why Sonic.
What do you mean?
There's so much.
You've already
Like-
been doing that.
Like, there's just so much Sonic in general.
Sonic?
There's Sonic everywhere.
You don't question there's so much Mario in general, huh? Do you?
True.
Mario
Alright.
Party? Mario Kart?
Yeah,
Mario Tennis?
you've got a point.
Mario and Sonic at the Olympic...
Oh.
What was I doing?
What? What was the goal? You skipped past it too fast.
I was like, why can't I control? Wait, do I get a new ability yet? Oh, I'm so close.
Oh my god. I don't even know what to say anymore for this game.
Are you still there?
It's
Guys,
still a tutorial.
the next one will be like...
I don't think Seb knows how to play this game yet.
Oh, no, that's like the free roam one.
That's fake free roam, right?
Yeah.